What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Boys Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Today we are going to be making chicken avocado burritos. Are you going to cook? Yeah, what are you making? Good cooking. Good cooking.
All right, so we're gonna start with cooking the chicken like we always do. So of course we're using Tony's. We're gonna season with a little salt and pepper. And then you'll see where the ranch comes in after. So we're gonna cook it up, shred it, and then we're gonna season it with the ranch seasoning to kind of keep that extra flavor on it. Make sure you season both sides liberally. So the chicken's been cooking for about 7.5, 8 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and flip it. We're just using this to help steam the chicken as well. Just cooks a little bit quicker.
All right, we're just gonna cut up this avocado. We're trying to make meals that are kind of light and summery and don't require too much cooking because it's super hot here. There's like a heat index of 101, I think it said today. Baba. I guess he's just gonna eat that. But we're just gonna cut up this avocado into slices so we can add it to our burritos. So a hack that we have for shredding chicken is to do it with a hand mixer. As you can see, it shreds it up pretty fine. You can also use a stand mixer if you want for this, but it's super easy and just helps us stretch our chicken farther.
We're gonna make this chicken ranch chicken, so we just have the ranch seasoning packet that we're just gonna add. So we added that powder in, and we're just gonna mix it all together. All right, so we're gonna make our tortillas. So if you ever try to make tortillas, they're kind of hard to make. And we don't love the store-bought ones all the time. So we actually have these ones which are, you make them to your food. So they're raw, and then you just put them on the grill for about 30 seconds on each side, and then they're cooked. So we really like these tortillas.
So we're gonna start building our burrito. We're gonna start with a little bit of cheese. You can use any kind that you want. Then we're going to add in some of our shredded chicken with the ranch powder on it. If you want more ranch flavor, you can just add some ranch dressing. And then we are going to add our avocados. And then we are just going to roll it up.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.